Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about using pronouns when a person's gender is unknown or has not been specified. Several decades ago, around the time I was in high school, it was common to see writing that included the phrase he or she. This would appear in sentences like this. On the face of it, this is fair enough. The sentence is a general statement about teachers, and the writer does not want to presume any gender. Back in the 80s, this was considered to be inclusive writing. But writing like this has its drawbacks, one of which is simple grammar. Consider this sentence. A little bit cumbersome. If we assume that the rest of this piece of writing follows the same style, this article would be virtually unreadable. More importantly, though, not everyone identifies as he or she. Some people prefer to be addressed as they/them, and some new gender-neutral pronouns are being created. So what do? There are a couple of simple fixes. In this example, I would change the singular to a plural so the sentence changes to this. You can see right away that it is far more readable and there's no risk of exclusion. If you don't want to use the plural, that's okay too, because they/them has become an accepted singular pronoun in writing. So you can just as easily write this. Now, if you're writing about a specific person, most of the time you will be able to use he or she, but from time to time you may encounter someone who will ask to be identified with different pronouns. It is important that you respect that, and if you're not sure of the pronouns, don't be afraid to ask. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.